Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the dynamic shag effect to your logo in CapCut. So you can prepare your logo, and for instance I am going to use this CapCut logo and just select animation, combo animation, and you can find the dynamic shag 2 and dynamic shag 1. You can try this animation effect, and this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect, and you can adjust for the duration, and here we go. That's how you can create dynamic shot to your logo in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.